Okay guys, and this week's giveaway winner is... Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on the 2010 Honda Civic. A couple days ago we dropped off the Civic at the frame shop, so we're gonna go check it out, see how the work is done. I'm sure it's good. Let's go get the truck, the trailer, and let's go pick it up.
Guys, so we picked up the car from the frame machine or from the frame shop. It's all done, looks awesome. We're taking it back to the shop. We're gonna take it apart and get it ready for paint, but there's a surprise. We got more work to do on it. We'll tell you guys when we get to the shop. All right guys, we're back at the shop. You see we brought the Civic. Let's check it out. So, all the lines look really nice. The hood, the fenders, the bumper, it's all, the bumper just on there temporarily with just a couple screws holding it because there's no brackets. And the headlights that I ordered were described wrong on eBay, so they're for a 4-door, we need 2-door, and they didn't fit. We'll put a picture in here somewhere to show you how it fit. So the new ones are on order, should be here in a couple days. Here's the core support, welded in, both sides, everything, good to go. So now we just gotta prep this thing for paint. We're gonna take off the fenders, take off the bumper, probably take off the hood, scuff everything, paint it, and then we can start putting it together and get this thing to be a runner. But there's a little problem we ran into. So when I was taking it to drop it off at the frame shop, I was in a big hurry because I just needed to get it there, and I procrastinated. And in the middle of all that, I tried to jump this thing and I hooked up the batteries wrong. Yeah, I know y'all gonna troll me and say that I'm dumb or whatever, but it happens to all of us. So I fried something. We're gonna figure it out. I think there's probably like a blown main fuse or something. Shouldn't be anything too crazy. So just another thing to add to this project. So the core support is painted. What we used to paint the core support was just a couple rattle cans. First we went down with a base coat, I guess, with a primer mix rattle can, and then we went over it with some Rust-Oleum metallic charcoal, and it actually looks pretty good and pretty close to the actual color of the car. So I'm happy how it turned out. Super easy. We don't have an air compressor hooked up yet, so this was a easier, cheaper route. That's way we don't have to take the car anywhere, and almost ready to start put back together. So core support's painted. Next is gonna be to paint the rest of the parts, the hood, the fender, the bumpers. Yeah, this color really looks good. I don't know, I'm surprised how good a rattle can. I don't think I've ever painted a core support with a rattle can, but I like this. It's super easy, it's efficient, it looks good, and there's no gun to clean up after you're done. So if you guys are out there working on your cars, I would suggest trying a rattle can.
So in our rewind video, we told you guys to comment below and for a chance to win. And this week's winner is gonna be chosen here in a minute. So let's see, I copied and pasted the URL from this video onto here. Right there, you guys can see it. Let's see, get YouTube comments. There's 12 commenters. And we'll pick a winner here. Drum roll, please. Andrew Smith. He says the Evo build, please. Waiting on it. So we'll get to the Evos hopefully soon, maybe. It's right there.
It's right there.
It's waiting. Andrew, be sure to email us autorebuilds509@gmail.com, and we'll send you either a shirt, sweater, you pick. Let us know, and let's get back to the build.
Alright guys, so first set of headlights I ordered, they were wrong because whoever was selling them said they were for a coupe, but they were for 4-door, so had to order some different ones. And I think these should do better. Mo better. All right, guys, so as you see in the video, the car is starting to look better. It's getting put together. We did get a fuse for the car, and hopefully that fixes the issue that I made earlier by hooking up the jump box backwards. So hopefully that gets fixed, and the next step will be to paint the car. So in the next video, we will get everything prepped and hopefully have the car painted. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and until the next video. Put it in. Here's the old fuse, and then if you look on top, it's blown. So let's put it in, see what happens. All right, guys, so we got power. Now let's see if she will start.